Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. So if you choose from here, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocking Chair. The GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Camp Chair delivers a smooth rocking action on any surface in the outdoors. Featuring padded armrests, built-in beverage holder, and a convenient carry handle, folding a camp chair open and closed has never been easier or safer with GCI Outdoor's patented Easy Fold technology. The Freestyle Rocker is constructed of lightweight and sturdy powder-coated steel supports up to 250 pounds. Rocking can be incredibly soothing. If you agree with that statement, you'll likely love the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocking Chair, which allows you to rock anywhere you go. Whether you're on the patio, front lawn, a concrete parking lot, or a dirt campsite, the patented spring-action rocking technology delivers smooth rocking motion on any surface. It doesn't get more relaxing than that. In addition to its rocking capabilities, the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocking Chair is a portable chair that quickly and easily folds flat for both transportation and home storage. The sturdy powder-coated steel frame and breathable mesh backrest can support up to 250 pounds in weight, while padded armrests and a built-in cup holder make for a more comfortable, luxurious sitting experience. Number 2 in this best lawn chair list is Lawn Chair USA Camping Outdoor Chairs. The Lawn Chair Webbing Chair is top pick because it's a universal lawn chair that works for a variety of uses. The rust-free aluminum frame and UV-resistant webbing are incredibly lightweight and easy to fold up, so the chair is portable for camping, tailgating, and hanging in the park. But with a vintage-style look, it's not too sporty to serve as full-time backyard seating. Those concerned with aesthetics will also be pleased to know that the Lawn Chair USA webbing chair is available in a ton of colors and can be re-webbed with a replacement lawn chair webbing kit if you want an update. The kit is also useful to restore well-worn chairs, but buyers needn't worry about excessive wear anytime soon. Those looking for additional room in the seat can opt for the Magnum version, while picnickers might prefer the equally tall, yet more compact, picnic-style chair. Our third pick is Kijaro Dual Camping Chairs. The Kijaro Dual Lock is an excellent value camp chair due to its quality build and supportive design. This chair locks into a taut position that's firm and comfortable to sit in, far superior to cheap camp chairs that sag and bow. The seat also sits a full 19 inches off the ground, making it comfortable for both tall and average-sized adults. It's a bit heavy and bulky when folded, but it has convenient shoulder straps on both the chair and the case for easy transport. If you want an upgrade over cheap chairs that are less durable, you will highly recommend the Dual Lock, which is often on sale and will last for years of use. The Dual Lock chair is perfect to take with you whether you are tailgating, camping, or watching your favorite sports teams. Includes 2 cup holders, organizer with zip and mesh pockets, carry strap attached to chair, and carry bag. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in our best lawn chair list is YETI Trailhead Collapsible Camp Chair. The YETI Trailhead is hands down the most comfortable and highest quality camp chair already tested. It's supportive, yet soft and springy, so it holds you in a relaxed upright position and cradles your curves without pressure. The material is also super airy and breathable, which feels great on warm days. But after getting hands on it, you have found that it's built to last and worth every penny if you'll use it often. It's also quick and easy to fold, and though it's a bit heavier than some, the well-padded backpack case makes it a breeze to carry. If you're looking for a strong and comfortable chair and you're willing to pay for the best of the best, you will highly recommend the Trailhead Camp Chair. This camp chair won't break down under UV rays. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Coleman Camping Chair. When it comes to the best budget lawn chair, the Coleman Quad Camp Chair is the undoubtable winner. Its affordable price tag simply cannot be beat for what you're getting, which is an exceedingly comfortable polyester cushioned seat paired with a sturdy steel frame that can support over 300 pounds of weight. If you're not already sold, then maybe the features will convince you. One armrest is equipped with a built-in insulated pouch that keeps up to 4 cans chilled, so you'll never be without a refreshing drink. The other armrest includes a cup holder for your open beverage, while a handy side pocket is attached to hold snacks, reading materials, or keys. A sturdy steel frame ensures you'll have a great seat, season after relaxing season.